This video tutorial I will cover using a Spring expression language how to access the map. Here I have defined the class address info. It has address map property. In address info constructor, I am adding 3 key value pairs in the address map, and it has getter and setter methods for this property. Here I have overridden toString method. Here I have defined the class employee. It has 4 properties: ID, name, first address and second address. We will see how to get first address value from this address map and assign to this property, and how to get second address value from this address map and assign to this property. This is a Spring configuration file. Spring container read this Spring configuration file, and it creates address info object and employee object. ID value of employee object will be set as 10. Name value will be set as Peter, and here we are accessing address map and passing the key as 1. So corresponding address value will be set to this first address property. Like that, we are accessing the address map and passing key as 2. So second address value will be set to this second address property. Here I have defined a class app. Here I have created application context object by reading a Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting address info object from Spring container and displaying that. Using getBean method of application context object, getting employee object from Spring container and displaying that.